So friends, what if I told you that there are simple yet effective way to make our days more fulfilled and positive? This positive way is through gratitude. We have talked in the previous video that we cannot be stressed out and happy at the same time, or overwhelmed and calm at the same time. Gratitude is a way to pattern interrupt, overwhelm, and make us have some abundance in our lives. As we have abundance, we can then act from abundance and attract more of it. So let's talk about how we can introduce gratitude into our daily lives and make it a daily habit. First of all, let's start from the mornings. In the morning, the easiest way to integrate gratitude in our lives is by doing one or two things, or maybe even both. When we wake up, we can do our mindfulness 555 breathing or another breathing technique that you are familiar with. And then think about several things that we are grateful for. It doesn't have to be complicated. It can be sunshine, or waking up on the right side of the bed, or coffee, or other things. Another alternative is to write these thoughts down in a gratitude journal. And once again, it doesn't have to be complicated. We don't have to write pages or pages. Just a simple sentence, grateful for this, or even just a word, coffee, sunshine, would be sufficient. Moving on to during our day. If we're working, then we can think about what we're grateful for that is work related and schedule a gratitude break. I think it's very entertaining. If we're at home, then we can think of our housework activities, cleaning or cooking, laundry, and be grateful for having shelter, having food that we cook, having access to wonderful food ingredients, and serving our family members healthy food options. That could be an option for that. Now, if we move towards the end of the day, once again, we can either take a mindfulness break and pair great gratitude as the tail end of a mindfulness exercise, or we can use a reflection daily journal. If we live with other people, especially children, we can make this a family activity and we can take turns. Little Johnny, what was good about your day today? What did you like about today? What are you grateful about today? And if we take turns, this can not only bring some positivity into the family, but it can also build connection and bonding between family members. Now let's talk about the challenging parts of the day. Times when we are triggered, times when we are stressed out, and times when we are overwhelmed. We already talked that once again, we cannot be stressed out and calm at the same time. Just like in the prehistoric times, we could not be running away from a saber-toothed tiger and enjoying a beautiful waterfall. So first thing that we need to do to pattern interrupt is take a deep breath. We already did 555 exercise. There are many others, and I will highlight them in the coming videos as well. So after we do our mindfulness exercise, just like in the morning, we need to think of just one, not two, not five, not 10, just one thing that we're grateful for. And that is going to signal to our subconscious that even though things are difficult, there are still good things in life. And it's going to reposition us from the point of view of scarcity to the point of view of abundance. And we all know that the universe reflects to us more of what we are. So if we're coming from the point of view of abundance, then the universe is going to reflect back to us more abundance. which hopefully is going to change our challenges for the better. On the other hand, if we stay in the point of view of scarcity, then we're going to be even more triggered, even more overwhelmed, and things are going to stay the way they are or worse. Now, how do we make sure that we don't forget to do these things? There are a few tips. First, the thing that we can do is place visual reminders. Little cute post-it notes on the fridge, on the bathroom mirror, on the laptop, to take those gratitude breaks. Another thing that we can do is make use of technology, our phone, our computer, schedule alarms for those gratitude breaks. And finally, there are great gratitude apps that we can do. So, what were your favorite suggestions? Please let me know in the comments. And just as a reminder, I have a Facebook group where I am keeping track of this 92 days to the strong end of 2024. And I'm also posting tiny homework assignments there that you can make use of and track your progress. And please stay tuned for other videos that are going to accelerate our improvement. And don't forget to like and subscribe.